Hello friends, this is Ramya. Today we are preparing Starbucks coffee. The ingredients required for Starbucks coffee are milk. I am using here whole milk, but it's your preference. If you want, you can use 2% fat milk too. Instant coffee powder. I am using here brew instant coffee powder. Sugar. Half glass water. A glass jar. I'm using here the same Starbucks jar, but if you want you can use mason jar, but it should require the lid because you will shake it when it's done. The process starts now. I have boiled half glass of water in microwave for 1 minute. Now I'm going to add this instant brew powder. For this whole jar, I'm going to take half cup of water and I'm adding 1 whole spoon of instant brew powder, teaspoon of instant brew powder, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. You have to mix it well. I have transferred that mixture in this bottle, and then you need to add this milk. I'm using whole milk, and it should be cold. You no need to boil this milk. It should be in its normal form. You have to shake it. Shake it and chill it for half an hour. That's it. Your Starbucks coffee is ready.